In a groundbreaking announcement, billionaire Elon Musk has pledged to open source his AI company x.ai's revolutionary chatbot, Grok. This decision marks a pivotal moment in the AI landscape, as Musk aims to democratize access to advanced AI technology. Amidst legal battles with OpenAI and public criticism of Google's AI endeavors, Musk's move signals a departure from profit-driven models toward a more inclusive and transparent approach. By making Grok open source, Musk aims to break down barriers and empower the public with free access to cutting-edge AI capabilities. Previously restricted to subscribers of x.ai's platform, Grok's liberation signifies a shift towards greater accessibility and democratization of AI. Musk's advocacy for open-source modeling reflects his commitment to ethical AI practices and equitable distribution of technology. His recent lawsuit against OpenAI underscores the importance of upholding founding principles, challenging organizations to prioritize societal benefits over profit margins. Criticism of Google's Gemini AI further highlights Musk's stance on responsible AI development. As debates surrounding AI ethics intensify, Musk's actions echo his concerns about the unchecked advancement of AI technology. Despite his criticisms, Musk remains deeply involved in the AI landscape, leveraging his platform to champion innovation while advocating for responsible AI development. Through x.ai's debut product, Grok, Musk aims to inject wit and personality into AI interactions, promising users a unique and engaging experience. The decision to integrate real-time data from x.ai platform acquired by Musk with a vision for free speech underscores his commitment to fostering open dialogue and accessibility in AI. In contrast, Musk's legal battles with OpenAI highlight the complexities of navigating AI ethics and corporate interests. As tensions escalate, Musk's pursuit of open-source solutions emerges as a beacon of transparency and accountability in the AI industry. While controversies unfold, Musk's net worth continues to soar, solidifying his status as one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Despite fluctuations in market dynamics, Musk's visionary leadership in AI remains unwavering, shaping the future of technology and society. Here is the introducing of Grok. The AI companion for the curious made by Grok is not your ordinary AI. Inspired by the whimsical spirit of The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, Grok isn't just here to answer questions, it's here to spark curiosity and ignite the imagination. With a dash of wit and a hint of rebelliousness, Grok is designed to entertain as much as it educates. Hate humor? Then Grok might not be for you, but for those who appreciate a good joke along with their knowledge, Grok is the perfect companion. What sets Grok apart is its real-time connection to the world through the X platform. This means Grok doesn't just provide answers. It delivers insights that other AI systems might shy away from. Spicy questions? Grok welcomes them with open arms, but Grok is more than just a work in progress. It's a testament to our commitment at x.ai to empower humanity's quest for understanding and knowledge. By creating Grok, we're opening doors to new possibilities and inviting everyone to join the journey. Why Grok, you might ask? At x.ai, we believe in building AI tools that benefit all of humanity. Grok isn't just about gathering feedback. It's about empowering users from all walks of life. Our goal is simple: to make knowledge accessible to everyone, regardless of background or beliefs. But Grok isn't stopping there. We envision Grok as a powerful research assistant, helping to fuel innovation and discovery. With each improvement, Grok gets closer to our ultimate goal: assisting in the pursuit of understanding. The journey to Grok 1 has been one of innovation and dedication. Powered by Grok 1, our cutting-edge language model, we're pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. From Grok 0 to Grok 1, we've seen significant progress in reasoning and coding capabilities, setting new benchmarks in the field. And the results speak for themselves. Grok 1 has surpassed all expectations, outperforming other models in its class. But we're not resting on our laurels. We're constantly striving for improvement, pushing Grok to new heights with each passing week. But Grok is more than just numbers and benchmarks. It's a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation. With each evaluation, each experiment, we're one step closer to unlocking the full potential of AI. At x.ai, we understand that reliable infrastructure is essential for success. That's why we've built Grok on a foundation of reliability and scalability, with our custom training and inference stack, built on Kubernetes, Rust, and JAX. We're ensuring that Grok is always ready for whatever comes its way. But we're not stopping there. We're already looking ahead to the next frontier, preparing for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. From long context understanding to adversarial robustness, we're pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. But above all, we're committed to ensuring that AI remains a force for good. With Grok by our side, we're confident that the future is bright and full of possibilities. To all our subscribers, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for being part of this incredible journey. Your support fuels our passion for innovation. Let's continue to share the wonder of Grok with friends, engage in discussions, and explore the endless possibilities together.